In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A27. To go to the recovery mode, first of all, we need to have a USB cable and we need to connect our phone to a computer. So let's quickly do so. There we go. And once you do that, you need to turn off your phone. We will have to open the power menu. There we go. And then you want to power off the phone. And now we need to wait for the phone to completely shut down. And usually when that happens, you can see like the charging logo or charging or battery information at the bottom of the screen because the phone is currently connected to a computer, so it is supposed to charge. There we go. So we have this icon, and soon we will see the battery information at the bottom or in the middle of the screen. Let's see. And once we have that information, you will have to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. There we go, here it is. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna press and hold power and volume up at the same time. And just keep holding all the time until you go to the recovery mode. So you will see the Samsung logo. You still want to hold both of these buttons. And let's just wait, and there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Now over here, we navigate by using volume buttons. And you can confirm your selected option by pressing the power button. Now, if you want to exit the recovery mode, simply choose Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. By the way, you can, of course, unplug the USB cable from the phone. It doesn't have to be now connected. Once you go to the recovery mode, you can unplug. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.